Begin by launching Microsoft PowerPoint from your computer's Start menu or desktop shortcut. Once the program opens, allow it a moment to load completely so you can comfortably navigate through the interface. After the application is fully operational, locate and open the presentation you wish to work on. This can be an existing file or a new presentation where you plan to enhance your slides with carefully selected online images. With your presentation now visible on your screen, direct your attention to the toolbar that runs along the top of the PowerPoint window. In this toolbar, you will see several tabs that group similar tools and commands together. Look for the one labeled Insert. This is your gateway to adding visual elements to your slides such as pictures, shapes, charts, and various forms of media. The Insert tab is designed to help you enrich your presentation and make your content more engaging. Once you have clicked on the Insert tab, you will notice an array of icons and buttons representing different types of content you can add. Among these options, locate the icon or button labeled Pictures. This key feature allows you to insert images from a variety of sources into your presentation, ensuring your slides are visually appealing and informative. After clicking on the Pictures option, a menu typically appears presenting you with different methods to add images. In our current process, focus on the selection that offers stock images. This particular option enables you to browse a curated collection of online images that are royalty-free and already integrated within the PowerPoint environment. These images are selected to provide high visual quality and professionalism to your slides. Once you have chosen the stock images option, you will be taken to a search interface or gallery where you can browse through the available picture options. When browsing, take the time to observe the thumbnails and preview the images to ensure they match the theme and tone of your presentation. It helps to think about how each image will complement the text and overall design of your slide. After you have identified the picture that best fits your needs, confirm your selection by clicking the Insert button. This action will add the chosen image into your slide seamlessly, placing it in a position where you can easily resize or reposition it as needed. At this point, you have successfully incorporated an online image into your PowerPoint presentation. Each step of this process is carefully designed to be intuitive and straightforward, allowing you to enhance your slides with compelling visuals quickly and effectively. By following the outlined method, you ensure that each image is added in a way that integrates perfectly with your overall design strategy, significantly improving the visual appeal of your presentation.